So these chicken wings can go in the fridge and chill out, and then we can boogie on something really, really spicy. This is a tomato-based sauce, and fire up the engine on this bad boy, a little white onion and garlic. So onion and garlic can go right into the pot. This sees some really big flavor. It's gonna be really hot, so we need a lot of flavor. Cloves are pretty intense, so I only put maybe like 3, 4, under 5. Allspice, it's really flavorful and it works so good with spices. Let's be honest, it's all about heat. I'm gonna carpet bomb chilies all over this madness to kind of give us like a little happy little element, some coriander seed. I like a lot of them too, they're pretty flavorful. Good pinch of salt is gonna help everything bash up a little bit. Twist of pepper. Now for the fun part, break it all up. That is perfect. A little beat up, a little pulverized, ready to go into the sauce. This sauce is hot, so we need some sweetness. Brown sugar. Don't be shy with sugar. Blackstrap molasses. This is made from refined sugar cane, and it has some real attitude. All hot sauces that are really, really hot have vinegar in them, so I'm using 2 types. Apple cider vinegar, because it's delicious, and rice wine vinegar. Just because I love it and it tastes so good, a little bit of beer. Chili paste, this is sambal. You can use any kind of chili paste, but this is just nice and hot. Chipotle, this is like one of my favorite spices. It's just smoked jalapeno, and I like to get some of the chili, and then there's like juice and onions in there. That's good stuff, don't leave it out. A little Worcestershire is like putting this thing in a 4-wheel drive. And now for the hottest thing of them all, the scotch bonnet. Be careful when you're cutting these up. Put some gloves on, get another cutting board. Just looking at them make my eyes hurt. So I'm just gonna put a few seeds in and all the flesh. Okay, so there's only one thing left to do. Bring it to a boil and give it a good blitz. But it's gonna be good on chicken wings. Half the sauce for marinating, and then I reserve another half for basting on the Q. Chicken's had time to marinate. It's soaked up a lot of flavor. Grill, medium to high heat, about 400 degrees. Oil the grill, oil the chicken. Wings cook real fast. There's bone in there. When the bone heats up, it cooks the wing, and the worst thing you can do is overcook your wing. Just hang out with your chicken and have fun. Yes! Chicken wings. So good. Once they have some char marks on them, give them a big ol' sexy baste. So once they're all basted, I like to close the lid on the barbecue, and that sauce is gonna get sticky and really dark and give the wings a big hug. All right. Those look amazing. I can't wait to try one. So who eats chicken wings without a sauce? Definitely not me. Mine is super simple, and it's kind of good because Those things are pretty spicy, and the sour cream just kind of cools everything else out. So green onions, fresh lemon, and because I'm a sucker for punishment, more chilies. Here's how you eat wings like a pro. Get the drum and the wing. Just take the wing at the top, press it, dip it, and it disappears. Woo! It's hot, but it's really good. Charred chicken loves spice. It's kind of like a home run. Do me a favor, invite all your friends over, make the hottest wings you can, and whoever drinks the milk first loses.